Standing desk frames reviews provide valuable insights and evaluations of different standing desk frame models available in the market. These reviews offer comprehensive analysis and user feedback to help individuals make informed decisions about purchasing a standing desk frame. They cover various aspects, including design, build quality, adjustability, stability, ease of assembly, and additional features like cable management and programmable height settings. The reviews often compare different brands and models, highlighting their pros and cons. They also discuss ergonomics and the health benefits of using standing desks. These reviews serve as a valuable resource for those seeking to improve their workstations and promote a healthier lifestyle. By reading standing desk frames reviews, individuals can find the perfect match for their needs and preferences while enhancing productivity and well-being. Welcome! Join us for detailed reviews of the top standing desk frames. Subscribe, like, and follow us for future updates on the best options in the market. After conducting a thorough assessment, we are pleased to announce that the AokPro brand has secured an impressive 5th position in our rankings. One standout feature of this standing desk is its soft start and soft stop functions, allowing for precise positioning within 12 seconds. Compared to other electric height adjustable desks, it is twice as fast. Additionally, this sit-stand desk boasts exceptional durability and operates smoothly without friction. It is designed with easy assembly in mind, including the necessary tools. The desk frame, constructed with 80mm x 50mm x 3mm steel and wide T-feet, ensures remarkable stability. It is 60% thicker than an average adjustable standing desk. AokPro's adjustable desk frame is specifically tailored to perfectly fit the most common desktop sizes, ranging from 100 to 180 centimeters in length and 60 to 100 centimeters in width. The innovative TOUCHSCREN control, featuring 3 presets, allows users to store their preferred standing desk height, avoiding unnecessary strain and fatigue caused by incorrect positioning. With a weight capacity of up to 260 pounds, this height-adjustable computer desk outperforms many competitors. Its ultra-wide, one-piece desktop boasts child-friendly rounded edges, and the 2-stage adjustable column makes it suitable for individuals of all sizes. ErgoMax has rightfully earned its place as the 4th-ranked standing desk frame on our prestigious list. This crank height adjustable base offers a maximum height of 48.56 inch and a minimum height of 28.56. Its length is also adjustable, ranging from a maximum of 50.25 inch to a minimum of 32.63. With a manual crank mechanism, users can easily and swiftly adjust the desk height within seconds. The crank is conveniently removable for storage purposes. Made from 100% steel, this height-adjustable standing desk frame ensures durability and stability. It is designed for easy assembly and storage. Recommended by medical professionals and health experts, it promotes increased stamina and energy through standing, while reducing fatigue, discomfort, neck, and back pain associated with prolonged sitting or static posture. Introducing the VIVO, an exceptional standing desk frame that has secured a remarkable 3rd position on our prestigious list. As a trusted brand in home and office solutions, VIVO is headquartered in the US. With a passion for improving the health and productivity of everyday users, VIVO has been at the forefront of innovation for over 20 years, boasting more than 130 patents. Their products have revolutionized office ergonomics and served millions of customers worldwide. This sturdy frame offers effortless height adjustments in seconds, thanks to its single-motor lift system, memory controller, adjustable feet, and solid leg support. It can accommodate desk surfaces weighing up to 176 pounds, and its thermal motor is designed to prevent overheating, ensuring both safety and longevity. The frame is equipped with cable management clips to keep cords organized and out of the way during height transitions. Transitioning from sitting to standing throughout your day is a breeze with easy height adjustments. The user-friendly push-button controller features 4 memory settings to save your preferred heights. With smooth and quiet telescopic height adjustment and a lift speed of 1 inch per second, the VIVO standing desk frame offers a seamless experience.
ErGear has showcased an exceptional performance, solidifying an impressive second position in our brand ranking. This standing desk frame is designed to accommodate tables with a length ranging from 39.4 inch to 63 and a width of 24 to 30. The crossbeam offers an adjustable length range of 35.4 inch to 53.2. The height adjustment range spans from 28.3 inch to 46.5. Crafted from all steel material, the sturdy table legs feature an adjustable support system. Equipped with anti-slip pads, they are suitable for various floor surfaces. Setting a comfortable height is a breeze, thanks to the powerful single-motor system that smoothly raises the desk at a speed of 1 inch per second, emitting less than 55 dB of noise. Seamlessly switch between sitting and standing positions, improving your office posture and enhancing productivity. The ergonomic electric stand-up desk frame ensures comfortable work and increased efficiency. All accessories and installation instructions are included for easy setup. The frame provides ample space for your desktop setup and supports a wide range of desktop sizes. With customizable height settings, you can find the perfect ergonomic position to suit your needs. Additionally, the ErGear electric stand-up desk frame offers cable management options to keep your workspace organized and tidy. Elevate your workspace with this versatile and user-friendly standing desk frame. Progressive Automations has rightfully secured the prestigious #1 position in our rankings, signifying their excellence in the field. As Progressive Automations, we are a North American manufacturer and distributor of linear actuators and linear motion control products, catering to customers worldwide. With over a decade of experience in the industry, we continually strive for progress and innovation. Our mission is to offer the most affordable, high-quality linear motion products that money can buy. This desk frames serve as the foundation for your standing desk, creating a comfortable and versatile setting for various activities such as packing, writing emails, or coding. Each of our electric height-adjustable desk frames is designed for smooth transitioning between sitting and standing, featuring multiple color options and unique smart remotes. The Progressive Desk is an ideal choice for modern workspaces. When you purchase a desk frame from us, it includes all the necessary components to build an automated standing workstation. These frames do not come with tabletops, allowing you the flexibility to select a style and material that suits your preferences. We offer a wide range of high-quality frames, enabling you to construct your ideal sit-stand workstation. These desk frames are equipped with collision detection features, ensuring that they stop moving if they detect any obstacles in their path. Installing our desk frames is a straightforward process, with step-by-step instructions included in the package for your convenience. Your feedback on standing desk frames is highly valued. We value your feedback. Share your thoughts in the comments to help us improve our products. Thank you for your invaluable input.